Kaylea from our Facebook group went over the motion for protective order limiting discovery deposition of Kaine Horman and the divorce documents. She says, what information, if any, would investigators give Kaine Desiree regarding the investigation into Kyron's disappearance? According to Kaine and Terri's legal divorce documents, Kaine Horman is the victim of the apparent crime against a child. As such, he holds special status recognized by the Oregon Constitution. Kaine Horman has a legal right to information about the investigation of his missing child. Information possessed by Kaine Horman regarding the investigation into Kyron Horman's disappearance would include methods and techniques utilized by members of law enforcement, physical evidence gathered during the investigation, statements generated by witnesses, and the questions asked by members of law enforcement. Copied from a motion for protective order limiting discovery, written and signed by the Multnomah County Chief Deputy District Attorney Donald Reese. In a separate order signed by the judge Henry Ganter, he writes, the documents and statements sought by the respondent, Terri Horman, from Deputy O'Donnell are clearly materials which would not be subject to discovery in a criminal prosecution. These materials are deemed confidential but available to a child's parents. Another important principle is that the petitioner, Kaine, and Miss Young would be deemed victims in any criminal persecution involving Kyron's disappearance. Oregon Constitution, Section 1, Articles 42 and 43. It's posted the entire court documents for complete transparency, but marked the yellow relevant parts in yellow.